Welcome to Missouri Dental Specialists. Dr. Erick Jansson and his team are committed to making sure that your experience is as enjoyable as possible. Here, your dental experience starts when you walk through the front door. Our friendly staff will make you feel both comfortable and at ease. Because service is so important to us, our practice is always looking for ways to improve while keeping the patient's best interests at heart. Our office uses state-of-the-art equipment, including a CBCT technology that provides 3D images for assisting in the diagnosis and planning of endodontic treatment. We do our best to accommodate the needs of each individual, including patients of all ages, old and young, which is unique to the endodontic community of Central Missouri. We offer tremendous flexibility in accommodating emergency cases, so delays in treatment are kept to a minimum, and patients can be relieved of dental pain quickly. We see most patients with significant pain or swelling on the same or next day. With safety and efficiency always in mind, we provide a clean and hygienic environment. Offering state-of-the-art sterilization equipment ensures you are receiving the highest quality of care. At Missouri Dental Specialist, we respect and understand that many patients become anxious about root canal treatment. By communicating clearly what you can expect during your treatment, we are often able to alleviate dental anxiety. Nitrous oxide is also offered at our office to help you feel calm and relaxed during your treatment. Your dental health affects your overall health and ability to enjoy life. Our goal is to quickly and effectively relieve your pain and save your natural teeth. We are passionate about your oral health and giving you a reason to smile. Thank you for joining us in this brief tour of our office. We hope you feel welcome to come and allow us to be rooted in your care.